Have you ever wondered how AI can become a full-fledged influencer? Imagine creating a persona that lands brand deals, engages thousands of followers, and doesn't exist in the traditional sense. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of making your own AI influencer from scratch, no experience required. Whether you want to design a completely new virtual personality or transform an existing image into a star, you'll learn everything you need to know. Let's dive in. If you already have an image for your influencer, you can skip ahead. But if not, let's start by heading to Hey Gen. Select Avatars, then Create New Avatar, and choose Design with AI to begin. You'll need a detailed prompt to describe how you want your influencer to look, which you can generate using ChatGPT. The prompt should include features like hair color, location, and lighting. Once you've got your prompt, return to HeyGen and fill in basic details such as the influencer's name, age, gender, and ethnicity. Paste the prompt into the provided field and select your preferred photo orientation and style, ideally the realistic preset. Hit Generate Preview, and you'll receive 4 different photo options. Keep generating if you're not satisfied, but once you find the one you like, save it. Now, click on the avatar and select Use in Video. On the left-hand side, you'll find several voice options to choose from. Pick the one that best fits your vision and listen to the voice sample to ensure it matches your idea for your influencer. Once you've chosen your avatar and voice, you can adjust the background. For this example, we'll keep a tropical beach setting in the background, but you also have the option to remove it or add a completely different setting. The free plan lets you create videos up to 3 minutes long, but we'll start with a shorter teaser video for Julie, the social media influencer. I've written a quick script for her to talk about a vacation offer in Thailand, and although you can't preview the whole scene right away, you can listen to the voice preview to see if it's a good fit. For video formats, you can adjust the circle radius or keep the zoom level as is. There are 2 motion engines available, the base one and the more advanced Avatar 4 engine. Unfortunately, Avatar 4 is only available with the paid plan, but the base engine still produces impressive results. After making these adjustments, hit Render Scene and let HeyGen do its magic. Once the video is rendered, you'll be able to watch the final result. For instance, here's Julie explaining the vacation offer in Thailand and giving a brief overview in a way that feels lifelike and engaging. The mannerisms, like her gesturing with her hands and smiling, make it incredibly believable, even with the free plan. You're allowed 3 video generations per month with the free plan, but if you sign up for multiple accounts, you can rack up even more content. Now, get ready to take your AI influencer to the next level. With these simple steps, you can create realistic and engaging content in no time. Whether you're working on personal projects, marketing, or social media, this tool offers endless possibilities for bringing your virtual influencer to life. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more AI tutorials.